If you're familiar with electric vehicles here in America, you know what the exterior styling of this vehicle is, which is the 2016 Audi Q5. The thing I want to show you today is the key fob and doing that to lock and unlock your vehicle. Well, what happens when you press the button and it doesn't unlock or lock or the rear hatch opens? Of course, that simply means your battery is dead. So you have to actually go into this little nugget to change the battery. So this is the key from Audi. As you can tell from the other videos I've done, each key is actually very distinctive in the way that it's built and put together. Now this is probably one of the more bulkier ones when it comes to just, sheer weight or whatsoever, but they're all relatively the same size. What we're going to actually focus on is changing the battery, removing the battery and installing a new battery in your Audi key fob. Front of the remote, of course, you can see your lock, trunk remote, unlock, and panic. Simply take it and turn it over. On the very back, you can see a button here, which is rather hidden. It doesn't actually proceed up out of the key fob. It sits flush. You're just going to press the button, as you can see I'm doing there. Once you press the button, take it and pull. This actually takes out, a lot of these will be called your key blades. This will allow you to get in the driver's side door. It will also allow you to lock and unlock your glove compartment. Now, even though the battery is dead, you should be able to get inside of your vehicle and still do your start-stop because the car can still sense that the battery, the key fob itself is in the car. So it will allow you to start-stop if your battery does happen to go dead. So once you've removed your key blade, you can go ahead and set this to the side. You will no longer need that. So we'll go ahead and set it to the side here. Once you're here, you're going to turn back over to the front. This is one larger than normal button, which is right on the top side. You can see it there. Now, once you have that, you're just going to take it, and this is more of a tighter fit. So you're just going to wiggle, and you can see it actually coming out of the larger part of the key fob here, but just take it and wiggle. Now it is a tighter fit simply because you can see the gasket that's inside that actually protects and seals it. So once you have put the button back inside, and if you do go snorkeling, swimming, anything of that nature, that actually helps to protect it, the interior, from taking in water. Once you have this actually dislodged, there's your battery there, and you can simply remove, and that is a CR2032. So once you have removed your battery, you wouldn't put this back together without your battery. So that's how to remove the battery. So what I'm going to simply do, you can see the plus there. So it's actually showing you plus side down. So you're going to take this, place it back within your placement here, or housing. Once you have it in your housing, let's just make sure it's down flat, and you can see the inside of that as well. Going to take it, put them on the bottom side, and as we're looking from the top, I'm just positioning it right back into the back side of that, and we take it, push down, battery's back inside, and we can just replace our key blade. Simple way to replace the battery in your Audi key fob. Now it can be, or once you got to this point, you probably didn't know what to do. But yeah, once you've seen someone do it a time or two, you know to press the button down here. It won't pull out immediately, but it's a little bit of a wiggle, slight struggle. That's intentional because they want to seal the inside of the battery compartment from getting wet, things of that nature. But yeah, once you have that all done, you can put your key blade back in, and to test it, you can hit lock, unlock, trunk remote, any of those features, and it should actually operate accordingly. And if you haven't taken a moment, definitely do so to subscribe to my channel. Not only will I cover Audi, but Volvo. You will also see Mercedes. A lot of those videos will be on. Those are also videos that I've owned. So yeah, definitely hit subscribe. We'd love to see you back again. I think my channel is something you will refer to over and over again as you begin to buy, sell, trade vehicles and different vehicles coming in and out of your life. So thank you for sitting with me, and we look forward to seeing you again.